Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get Angry Birds free. It's a very fun game, kind of like Crush the Castle on Not Doppler, but I'm going to show you. So here's the game. I will show you that it works at the end. So what you do is you go to Opera or whatever web, whatever. Internet Explorer you use, or whatever, internet browser. Wow, brain block. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go here, or up here I mean, type in seriouseplace.blogspot.com. And that'll take you to this really awesome website. And then you want to click on, well, there's a bunch of stuff you can get, like software, all these awesome things. Okay. Movies. All these different movies he's got. And then games. He has a lot of games. Minecraft is a big one. This one really works. I also got that on here. Counter-Strike, Spore, Amnesia, all that kind of stuff. Plants vs. Zombies is really fun. So, what you do is you want to click this link. And then wait for that to finish counting down from 45. No, it's a 34 megabyte file. It's not very big, so it shouldn't take too long to download. So after this is done, just click the download button. You just click it, and you would click save. Okay. I'm not gonna do that because I already have it, obviously. So then, after you've saved it, you want to go to your downloads folder, which is where obviously you put it, and you want to find it. Okay, so it'll be like this. You click on it, and all you do is you right click it, extract files, and you bring it to your folder. Then after you've got it, it'll come out like this into your whatever folder. So you just select it, copy it, and then you make a folder that says Angry Birds, and you just put it in there. So, and I'm gonna show you that it does work. Here, it works, but it's really slow for some reason. So, it's only because I'm using Fraps. But it does work. It does work. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.